Today, we're diving into the top 5 strategies for successful crypto investing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your game, these tips will help you navigate the crypto market like a pro. We're going to break it all down in a way that's super easy to understand, even if you're new to the game. So grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's get started on your journey to crypto success. Number 1, diversification. Spreading your investments. Imagine you have a big basket of different fruits: apples, oranges, bananas, and strawberries. If you only had apples and something happened to the apple trees, you wouldn't have any other fruits to eat. But because you have a variety, even if the apples go bad, you still have oranges, bananas, and strawberries to enjoy. This is what we call diversification. In the world of cryptocurrency, instead of fruits, you have different types of digital coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Diversification means you spread your money across different coins so that if one coin doesn't do well, the others might still be okay. Here's how you can do it. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different types of cryptocurrencies, not just one. Balance high-risk and low-risk assets. Some coins might be very popular but also very risky. Others might be more stable but not grow as quickly. Having a mix helps balance things out. Examples of diverse crypto portfolios. Imagine you have $100 to invest. Instead of putting all $100 into Bitcoin, you could put $40 in Bitcoin, $30 in Ethereum, $20 in a newer coin, and keep $10 as cash just in case. Number 2, research and due diligence, making informed decisions. Before you dive into the pool, it's always a good idea to check how deep the water is, right? The same goes for investing. Research and due diligence mean learning about what you're investing in before you put your money there. Analyzing white papers and project goals. Cryptocurrencies often come with a white paper, which is like a guidebook explaining what the coin is and what it aims to do. It's important to read these to understand the coin's purpose. Assessing the team behind the project. Just like you'd want to know who's cooking your food at a restaurant, it's good to know who is behind the cryptocurrency. Are they experienced? Have they worked on successful projects before? Keeping up with market news and updates. The world of crypto changes fast. It's like a roller coaster. Keeping an eye on the news helps you stay informed about what's happening so you can make better decisions. Number 3, risk management, protecting your investments. Investing can be exciting, but it's also important to be careful and protect your money. This is called risk management. Think of it like wearing a helmet when you ride your bike. It keeps you safe. Setting stop loss and take profit levels. Imagine you bought a tool for $10 and now it's worth $15. You might decide to sell it if the price drops back to $12, stop loss, or if it goes up to $20, take profit. This way, you know when to stop and when to take your gains. Determining the right amount to invest. Just like you wouldn't spend all your allowance on one thing, you shouldn't put all your money into one investment. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Understanding market volatility and its impact. The price of cryptocurrencies can go up and down like a seesaw. Knowing this helps you stay calm when prices drop and make smart choices when prices rise. Number 4, dollar cost averaging, DCA, reducing market impact. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is like saving your money bit by bit every week instead of trying to save it all at once. It means you invest a fixed amount of money regularly, no matter what the price is. Explanation of the DCA strategy. Instead of trying to guess the best time to buy, which is really hard, you decide to invest a little bit of money at regular intervals. For example, you could invest $10 every week. Benefits of investing fixed amounts regularly. By doing this, you buy more coins when prices are low and fewer coins when prices are high. Over time, this helps you get a good average price for your investments. Real-life examples of DCA in action. Let's say you have $50 to invest each month. Instead of waiting for the perfect time, you put $10 into Bitcoin each week. Some weeks you buy a little more Bitcoin, and some weeks a little less, but over time, you build up your investment steadily. Number 5, long-term versus short-term investing, choosing your strategy. When it comes to investing, you can think about it like planting a tree. Do you want a tree that grows quickly and gives fruit in a year, short-term? Or do you want a tree that takes longer to grow but gives lots of fruit for many years, long-term? Both are good options, and you can choose based on what you want. Benefits of hodling for the long term. HODL means holding onto your investments for a long time. This can be good because even if prices go up and down, they might grow a lot over many years. Advantages and risks of day trading. Day trading is like trying to catch the perfect wave every day. It can be exciting and you might make money quickly, but it's also risky and you could lose money fast. Finding a balance that suits your goals and risk tolerance. Some people might prefer to hold their investments for a long time, while others like the thrill of day trading. It's important to find what works best for you and make sure you're comfortable with the risks. Bringing it all together. Now that we've explored these 5 strategies, let's imagine you're ready to start your crypto investing adventure. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a plan. Decide how much money you want to invest and how you'll spread it across different coins. Remember diversification. Do your homework. Research the coins you're interested in. Read their white papers, learn about the teams, and stay updated with the news. Protect your money. Set your stop loss and take profit levels. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Start small and regular. Use dollar cost averaging to invest a little bit regularly. This way, you don't have to worry about timing the market perfectly. Choose your path. Decide if you're in it for the long haul or if you want to try short-term trading. Find a balance that makes you happy. Fun tips to remember. Be patient. Investing is like growing a garden. It takes time for plants to grow, and it's the same with your investments. Stay curious. The more you learn, the better you'll get at making smart investment choices. Keep exploring and asking questions. Have fun. Investing can be exciting, especially when you see your money grow. Enjoy the journey and celebrate your successes. And that's it, young investor. You're now ready to start your cryptocurrency adventure with these top strategies. Remember, the key is to be smart, stay informed, and always protect your money. Happy investing! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome crypto content. See you in the next video.